This is a video on how to use the app Paleography Permutations. And the purpose of this is for times when you really have no idea what a word is, but you really need to know what it is. And so you want to look at all of the possibilities that the word could be. So for example, you come across a word and to you it looks like the nonsense word "Miller." And so and if you put the wrong one, you just drag it back here and it disappears. U-M-E-L-E-R, and obviously that's not the right word. But then you look at it and you think, okay, maybe it's a U or an N, and maybe this is a U right there, and then there are two N's. Well, let's go ahead and type in, this is for multiple characters or foreign characters. So we've got our NN right here, and let's make room for what we're seeing. Maybe we think that instead of the ME, it's a NN, like that. And okay, maybe it's a B instead of an L. We're not sure if it's an E or not, so we'll put an asterisk there. And then we think, okay, maybe it's a S instead of an R. And maybe it's an M instead of this NN right here. And we're pretty sure it's an L or a B, and we're pretty sure it's a N or a U, or one of those kind of combinations. And we're pretty sure it's an R and S, and like we said, we're not sure for sure if it's a E. So we set this up like this, and we click the next button, and it pumps out a bunch of different possibilities. And in this case, maybe the word was number, and so you can browse through all those different options, but the word that it was number, and then you can just refresh to go home, and you're good to start all over again.